Hello everyone, welcome to our new series for UP APO 2025. Let's begin with episode 4 now. Question number 1. Who was the first Law Minister of India? Option A, Sardar Patel. Option B, K.M. Munshi. Option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the first Law Minister of independent India. He served from 15 August 1947 to 1951 in Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru's cabinet. He was also the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution and played a pivotal role in shaping the legal and constitutional framework of the country. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 2. Under Section 260 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, when a court of session takes cognizance of an offence under subsection 2 of Section 222, what is the maximum compensation amount that can be awarded if the court determines there was no reasonable cause for making the accusation? Option A, rupees 1,000. Option B, rupees 2,000. Option C, rupees 5,000. And option D, rupees 10,000. The correct answer is option C. According to Section 260 Clause 4, if the court is satisfied that there was no reasonable cause for making the accusation, it may, for reasons to be recorded, make an order that compensation to such amount not exceeding 5,000 rupees as it may determine be paid by such person to the accused or to each or any of them. Therefore, the maximum compensation amount that can be awarded is rupees 5,000. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 3. Under the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, in a warrant case instituted on a police report, within what time period must the magistrate frame a charge against the accused after the first hearing on charge? Option A, 30 days. Option B, 45 days. Option C, 60 days. And option D, 90 days. The correct answer is option C. According to Section 263, Clause 1 of the BNSS, if upon such consideration, examination, if any, and hearing, the magistrate is of opinion that there is a ground for presuming that the accused has committed an offence triable under this chapter, which such magistrate is competent to try and which, in his opinion, could be adequately punished by him, he shall frame in writing a charge against the accused within a period of 60 days from the date of first hearing on charge. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 4. The question of free legal aid takes its roots from which article of the Constitution of India 1950? Option A, Article 30. Option B, Article 39. Option C, Article 38. Option D, Article 39A. The correct answer is option D. Article 39A of the Constitution of India 1950 deals with equal justice and free legal aid. It states that the state will provide free legal aid by suitable legislation or schemes or in any other way to ensure that opportunities for securing justice are not denied to any citizen by reason of economic and other disabilities. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 5. Who amongst the following cannot be appointed as Advocate General? Option A, an advocate of 66 years of age. Option B, an advocate who has not practiced in such state. Option C, an advocate having 7 years of practice at bar. And option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D. Advocate General must be qualified to be appointed as a judge of High Court. In other words, he must be a citizen of India and must have held a judicial office for 10 years or been an advocate of a High Court for 10 years. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 6. Which provision of the Constitution of India abolished untouchability and forbids its practice in any form? Option A, Article 14. Option B, Article 15. Option C, Article 16. And option D, Article 17. The correct answer is option D. Article 17 of the Constitution of India states that untouchability is abolished and its practiced in any form is forbidden. The enforcement of any disability arising out of untouchability shall be an offence punishable in accordance with law. Question number 7. Which of the following section of the BNS 2023 deals with the punishment for culpable homicide of not amounting to murder? Option A, Section 103. Option B, Section 304. Option C, Section 302. And Option D, Section 101. The correct answer is Option A. Section 304 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 and Section 103 of the BNS deals with the punishment for culpable homicide not amounting to murder. So the correct answer is Option A. Question number 8. Which of the following sections covers the procedure related to judgment in BNSS 2023? Option A, Section 100. Option B, Section 167. Option C, Section 392. And Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is Option C. The procedure related to judgment is covered under Section 392 of the BNSS, which is the new procedural law for criminal cases. So the correct answer is Option C. Question number 9. Which section of the 𝐼 𝐨𝐥𝐸𝐚 2023 states that when any fact is especially within the knowledge of any person, the burden of proving that fact is upon him? Option A, Section 106. Option B, Section 109. Option C, Section 108. And Option D, Section 101. So the correct answer is Option B. Under BSA 2023, Section 109, which relates to burden of proving fact, especially within knowledge, when any fact is especially within the knowledge of any person, the burden of proving that fact is upon him. It's the time for practice question. The prescribed time limit for filing charge sheet for the offences triable by the magistrate is Option A, 60 days, Option B, 90 days, Option C, 120 days, and Option D, none of the above. Pin down your answers in the comment section below.
Introducing Drishti IAS Everyday Wear, the casual jacket and the polo neck t-shirt, perfect for everyday and casual wear. Shop now on the Drishti Learning app and Flipkart. Buy link in the description.